Okay guys, this is the adverbs test you were solving yesterday, and that we decided not to take it into account as an evaluation in order for you to have some chance to practice and take another evaluation. In this first section, you had to drag and drop the coherent idea, the idea in the correct order. Here the focus adverb is almost on that new jacket. So the response says, well, good thing you didn't end up buying it, meaning the person did not buy it. I almost spent. Some people here marked, I spent almost $150. If I put almost 150, it means I bought it and that it cost around 140, 45, 46, 47, something like that. But it says, good thing you didn't end up buying it, means I didn't get it, so I almost spent. In the next one, the adverb, is just. This one, a little tricky because there were two possible answers here. How much longer do we have to wait? Not so sure. Alex, definitely this is the first word, just left the office 10 minutes ago. And the other possibility could be Alex left the office just 10 minutes ago. Okay, so but however, there is one thing here. You could have said left the office just 10 minutes ago. However, what I think I mentioned it yesterday is that in the platform I am supposed to provide the answer, and I put the two answers, but apparently it just marked correct the first one I put. So for that reason, some of you should have seen that even when it was logical, it was marked incorrect. Bus to work, yeah, I usually take a taxi too. This is negative sentence, sorry, using negative adverb at the beginning. I did not put it in capital letters, though you know it should be with capital letters in order not to say which the first word was. Rarely do I take a bus. Rarely do I, because I'm using a negative adverb at the beginning. I need an auxiliary and I do inversion here. In the next one, this week I completed all my assignments. Yes, wow. You did even the writing homework. I'm emphasizing that including the writing homework was done by this person, okay? And the last one, in arranging Annie and Edward turn in their projects late. Yes, this is negative. Little did, inversion here. Little did they know the professor didn't accept late assignments. The inversion here is at the beginning. Little did they know. Okay, notice that the verb is not in past tense because we are using did here. Little did they know the professor didn't accept late assignments. In the second section, then you needed to write a sentence depending on the placement that was required. It is clear that something must be done about the problem soon. Something must clearly be done. Remember that when you have the verb be, usually the sentence adverb goes after the verb be. However, because here we have a modal, then it will be between the modal and the verb be. Something must clearly be done about the problem soon. Something must clearly be done. As I mentioned, it is clear. This becomes this, okay? Next page. Number 7 says, it is fortunate that the paramedics arrived on time, adverb at the end. So the paramedics arrived on time, comma, fortunately. The paramedics arrived on time, and the comma necessary when you put it at the beginning or at the end. Rewrite the idea including the negative adverb at the very beginning. So I am going to start with never. And I want to point out here, I saw some people who put did. You cannot use did here because this sentence is not in past simple. This sentence is in past perfect. I had not imagined this would be so easy. So never had I imagined. Some people use had but then use the ed here. You cannot use the ed here. Oh no, sorry. Yes, you can because it is past perfect. Some people that put did here, well, anyways, it was incorrect. Never had I imagined this would be so easy. Never had I imagined. And I think this is the last one. Using, oh, not only, but also. Not only should Edwin, and in this moment I make the inversion, not only should Edwin be more organized, comma, but he should work faster. But he should work faster. Okay, finish attempt. Let's see if I get my answers correct. Hope I did it not so bad. And there you have them, especially the second part, because the first part it gives you the correct thing. Okay, not only should Edwin be more organized, but he should. This part stays the same, but there should be inversion here. And these ones, something must be clearly done, and the paramedics, the comma here is very important. Okay, as I mentioned in this one, the first answer, no, in this one, the first answer I gave, the one about the 10 minutes, is the one that is shown here, but the other one is also possible.